fit a straight line y equal to x plus b for the following data: x is equal x 1 3 4 6 8 9 11 14, y value is 1 2 4 4 5 7 8 9. So we find the best fitting point A and B by using the straight line. So given that y is equal to x plus b, first we write the normal equation, that is summation of y equal to a into summation of x plus n into b, summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. For the normal equation contains summation of y, summation of x, summation of xy, summation of x square. To find this value, we prepare the normal table. So normal table, they have given x and y, we prepare xy and x square. So in the x column 1 3 4 6 8 9 11 14, y column is 1 2 4 4 5 7 8 9, xy means multiply both of them. So therefore xy column is 1 6 16 24 40 63 88 126. X square means square the x column, 1 9 16 36 64 81 121 196. So summation means add each column. Summation of x is equal to 56, summation of y is equal to 40, summation of xy is equal to 364, summation of x square is equal to 524. Then put all the values, summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square in the normal equation. So therefore the normal equation become 40 is equal to 56a plus 8b, 364 equal to 524a plus 56b. On solving, we get a is equal to 0.6363, that is nearly equal to 0.64, b equal to 0.5454, nearly equal to 0.55. So put a and b value in the given straight line, that is y is equal to x plus b. Therefore y is equal to 0.64 x plus 0.55. For this value, the straight line will be best fit for the given data. So it is a procedure. Find the equation of best fitting obtaining line from the following data, and hence estimate the value of the dependent variable corresponding to the value of 30 of the independent variable, given that x and y, x column or x row contain 5 10 15 20 25, y 16 19 23 26 30. So let us solve the example. Given that straight line, so straight line is y is equal to x plus b. So let us write the normal equation, summation of y equal to a into summation of x plus n into b, summation of xy equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Here n means the number of terms in the x or y. So n is equal to 5. Let us prepare the normal table. So in the x column 5 10 15 20 25, y column 16 19 23 26 30, it is given. We prepare xy and x square. The xy column values 8 80 190 345 520 750. X square values are 35 25 100 225 400 625. So find the summation. Summation of x equal to 75, summation of y equal to 114, summation of xy equal to 1885, summation of x square is equal to 1375. So put these value in the normal equation. So that is 75a plus 5b equal to 114, 1375a plus 75b equal to 1885. By solving in the simultaneous equation, the calci, we get a is equal to 0.7, b is equal to 12.3. Put a and b value in the given straight line, that is y is equal to x plus b. We get y equal to 0.7 x plus 12.3. In the question they have given also find the y value and x equal to 30. Therefore put x equal to 30 in y is equal to 0.7 x plus 12.3. We get y is equal to 33.3. So it is the answer. So next question, a simple supported beam carries a concentrated low P at its midpoint corresponding to varies value of P. The maximum deflection Y is nearest is measured given in the following table. P row is 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Y row 0.45, 155, 0.60, 0.30, 0.80, 0.85. Also find the law of the form y equal to a plus bp, and hence estimate y when p is 150. So let us solve the example. So given that it is in the form of straight line y is equal to a plus bp, first we write the normal equation, that is summation of y equal to n into a plus b into summation of p. So summation of py equal to a into summation of p plus b into summation of p square. Here n is value is 6, the number of terms in the p column, p row, that is n is equal to 6. So let us prepare the table, that is normal table. P is given, y is given, so prepare py and p square for the normal equation. P column contain 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Y column contain 0.45, 0.55, 0.60, 0.70, 0.80, 0.85. So py column contain 45, 66, 84, 112, 144, 170. P square contain 10,000, 14,400, 19,600, 25,600, 32,400, 40,000. Therefore summation of p is equal to 900, summation of y equal to 395, summation of py equal to 621, summation of p square is equal to 1,42,000. So put all the values in the normal equation. 6a plus 900b equal to 395, 900a plus 1,40,000b equal to 621. On solving in the calci, we get a value 0.0476, b value 0.0041. Put a and b value given straight line, that is y equal to a plus bp. Therefore y equal to 0.0476 plus 0.0041p. So put p is equal to 150 in the straight line, we get y equal to 0.6626.